In front of me is Honor 200 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change sleep time to never. Begin by opening Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in Caffeine, keep screen on, and download free app from this developer. When it's ready, launch it and click OK in welcome pop-up. Following that, tap on Timeout and make sure that Infinite is on before continuing. Now go into Tab menu, click on this icon at the top right corner and select Edit Shortcut Switch. Then scroll all the way down, find your new shortcut and add it to your current ones by holding it and dragging it. Place it wherever you want to, let go and hit done. Lastly, click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!